has begun for the construction team. Let's take a look at the orders. These are the orders. There's a pile of dirt. We can't get through. Kids, which construction vehicle should we use here? Bulldozer. Push the dirt out of the way so we can get through. Woohoo! The dirt is pushed in. My cargo ship tipped over and all the goods fell into the sea. Can you help me scoop them up? Kids, which construction excavator? The goods are scattered in the water. Let's scoop them up. That's amazing! You got all the goods up! Thank you! You have done me a great favor! You're welcome! Construction team, mission accomplished! Let's move on! Next order! Anything I can do for you? I want to build a park so I can play with my friends in it. Can you help me? Leave it to me. Bulldozer, let's go! Kids, which construction vehicle should we use here? Bulldozer. Drag the bulldozer to shovel up the building. Great! Now let's put the rest buildings in the corresponding pits. Great! You built a